So guys, for the first method, turn on your laptop whilst your laptop is charging. So make sure that you have the charger plugged into your laptop and then turn it on. See if that works. For the second method, you want to take off the back cover of your laptop using a screwdriver, and then you want to take out the RAM. Once you take out the RAM, you want to put it back in again, and you want to screw the laptop cover back in. See if that works. I'm just going to play footage of one of my old videos of me doing that. So I'm just taking out the RAM from the back of my laptop, then I just put it back in again. Then I screw the case back on. Once you do this, turn on your laptop again. Hopefully it will fix your problem. I had to pull up one of them and then the RAM came out. But you're going to have two levers. Just pull them both up, like those metal things on the side, and then your RAM should come out. You just want to take it out and then put it back in again. Push it in fully and then push it down a little bit until it clicks. Now it's back in. You want to repeat that for all the RAM sticks that you have on your laptop. Next, you just want to screw back in the back cover. And then once you do all of that, you can turn on your laptop and then the problem should be fixed.